Well, with the Bank of Canada reducing interest rates, people are not going to see as massive a change in their mortgage approvals and mortgage payments as they would hope. At least that's going to be the case in 2024, and I'll tell you why in a minute. Immediately, though, when rates drop by 0.25%, and I'll give you the forecast for future rate drops in a minute as well, those who currently are on a variable rate will see their payment reduce by about $15 per $100,000 of mortgage. Or for those with static variable rate mortgage payments, more of their payment will go to principal versus interest. Now, for anybody looking for a new mortgage, whether that mortgage is needed to buy a new property or whether it's needed to refinance to consolidate debt, whatever the case is, a 0.25% decrease in interest rates increases an individual's mortgage approval amount by about $10,000 per $500,000 in mortgage. Now, the reason why this rate change is not going to really affect people, most likely all the way through 2024, is because variable rates are currently higher than fixed rates. So if an individual getting a new mortgage today has a choice between a variable rate of 6.25% or a fixed rate of 5.50%, which is a likely scenario depending on the individual's application score, most are going for that 5.5% fixed. And when the Bank of Canada reduces rates by 0.25%, that individual has a choice between 6% versus 5.5%. And then they'll have a choice between 5.75% and 5.5%. There should be a point where the variable rate comes down to where they are the same as fixed rates, which may happen by the end of 2024. Fixed rates are forecasted to stay relatively around where they are, and variable rates are forecasted to come down 0.75% by the end of this year, which means it is looking like we should see more impactful interest rate changes in 2025. So for those with mortgages up for renewal in the second half of 2024 and into 2025, your selection of rate will be important to maximize savings. So ensure to consult with your mortgage advisor 4 months in advance of your renewal date. I should also note that reduced rates are not only going to help with mortgage payments, it's going to reduce any line of credit payments, any variable car loan payments, and any business loans tied to a variable rate. The Bank of Canada may not drop rates as fast as we would like, but one thing's for sure, lower rates will be welcomed by all.